In this video, we'll show you how to add projects in Meisterplan. To do so, click Add and select the type of project you want to add. These types and their details can be configured under Manage, Project Types. Let's choose Project. Next, enter a name. If you know when the project is due, select a finish date. This is the minimum you need to add a new project. If you want to provide more project details, tick the box and click Add. Optional fields you can also fill out here include status, stage gate, risk level, business goal, and strategy fit. Click Back. Your project is now displayed in the timeline.